Hello and welcome to BEILab, your go-to channel for all things Python and geospatial science. In today's video, we're diving into the basics of Python. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video is for you. In this episode, we'll start from scratch by installing Anaconda and running Jupyter Notebook for Python programming. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to begin your Python journey. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the installation process, let's understand what Anaconda is and why it's a fantastic choice for Python enthusiasts. Anaconda is an open-source platform that empowers Python programming and is often referred to as the Navigator. It comes packed with various Python applications like Spider, Datalore, JupyterLab, Orange, and more. This versatile environment allows us to manage different Python versions and packages. The Anaconda distribution includes a rich library of over 350 packages for a wide range of tasks, such as data visualization, data analysis, machine learning, web development, geospatial analysis, scientific computing, computer vision, database management, and beyond. It's also known for its efficient package management capabilities. Now, let's move on to installing this versatile platform. The first step is to download Anaconda. To do this, head over to the Anaconda website at www.anaconda.com/download. Choose the version that suits your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux, and proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file and run it. Then, click on the Next button to proceed. For a smooth installation experience, we recommend temporarily disabling your antivirus software during this process. Now, read and accept the licensing terms by clicking the I agree button for the rest of the installation steps. In this step, we recommend selecting the Just Me option, which installs Anaconda for the current user account. If needed, you can choose All Users, which requires Windows Administrator privileges. Click Next to continue. Select a destination folder for the Anaconda installation and click Next. In this step, it's important not to change the settings. We recommend not adding Anaconda to your path environment variable, as this can potentially interfere with other software. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Finally, click on the Finish button to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, we need to set up environment variables. Search for Edit Environment Variables in the Start menu and click on it. Next, in the Advanced tab, click on Environment Variables and then in the new window, select the path variable and click on the Edit button. In this window, click on the New button and add these three paths one by one to the path variable. Please ensure that these paths are adjusted to your system name. Congratulations! You can now run Jupyter Notebook on your system. Navigate to the folder where you want to create a Jupyter Notebook file. In the Windows File Explorer address bar, type CMD and press Enter. A command prompt window will appear. Type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. Jupyter Notebook will open automatically on your web browser. You're all set to begin your Python journey with Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking it and subscribing to our channel for more exciting tutorials. If you have any questions or need further support, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, stay curious and we'll see you in the next video.